When I was 18, if you had told me that I would one day collaborate with ESA, I would have said, I'm impossible.
Hi, welcome to Frascati. This is the headquarters of ESA Esrin, which is the Earth Observation Center of the European Space Agency. So we are starting the progress meeting of the Hubrom ESA IoT Space Challenge. We have 10 mentors, 6 startups, learn new things about Earth observation satellites, how to analyze data, how to access data, how to combine them with IoT sensor networks.
6 weeks ago, we attended the meeting in Krakow.
It's been a very productive 6 weeks.
We learned a lot from each other.
Real help regarding the connectivity of our sensors.
Yeah, it's very exciting to be at the Space Agency.
We do hope to have, first of all, a better understanding of Earth observation data. We do need some guidance regarding this particular aspect of our work.
It's a nice way how to spend time sitting by the olive trees and drink wine and also discuss space.
The next step on this program is the first ESA EU Commercialization Days, a big conference in Paris at ESA headquarters.
We do hope to produce something for the demo day in Paris that will be exciting for everyone.
The startups will be able to interact with a range of venture capital angel investors that might be interested in scaling up their value proposition and bringing them really to the market.